Hey guys, welcome to Dell Stack. This is how to fix notification of update in Chrome in PC. Guys, if you ever wondered what you could try to do, is you could just simply go ahead and select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now, over here, you could just simply go for the settings over here. Now, here on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and go for the privacy and security tab. And down below, you should be able to see here site settings. So go ahead and click on this one. Now, over here, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here notifications. So pretty much over here, this is all we need, or this is the Chrome settings notification. So from here, sites can ask to send notifications over here. And from here, you could select don't allow sites to send notifications. But if you want sites to have notification, you just simply click on this one and you will have multiple options over here that you could filter out. Now, down below, you will have the customized behaviors. So as you can see, I have my Facebook block. So in order for you to not allowed to send notifications, just simply select add and provide the website over here. And after that, the notifications of the specific website that you provided will not be sending anymore. But of course, if you want to remove that, select the three dots and you will have the remove icon. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.